We got the SSR160 custom built. Hopefully it works and lasts. Might just turn it on once we get the frame on here. Everything's pretty much clean and ready to go. Just making sure, putting everything together and then tightening it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put the frame on. Just got done painting it. Painted the valve cap covers to match. Let's see the other side. Just a little bit of different contrast, different than than what's out there. It's a YX160, 160cc. TB parts, V2 cylinder head. Alright, there's the chassis. Kind of mocked it together. It's going to go ahead and bolt it on and see how it fits. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. Okay, so since I just recently painted this, I got a couple holes I just want to clean up. I'm not going to tap them, but I'm going to chase them. And let's go ahead and do it.